excited to take you on a journey through the history, achievements, and future of one of the world's leading automotive and engineering companies, Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. Mitsubishi Motors Corporation was established in 1920 by Soichiro Honda, Takeo Suzuki, and Kakuzo Kato, three visionary entrepreneurs who shared a passion for innovation. The company began as a small importer and distributor of motorcycles, and later transitioned into the production of automobiles and trucks. Throughout its history, Mitsubishi has been at the forefront of technological advancements, pioneering various innovations such as the first internal combustion engine automatic transmission, the dual-clutch transmission, and the all-wheel drive system. Currently, Mitsubishi Motors Corporation is a global powerhouse in the automotive industry, with operations in over 70 countries and a strong commitment to sustainability and environmental protection. The company's net income per year ranges from $25 to $30 billion, making it one of the most profitable automotive manufacturers worldwide. What sets Mitsubishi Motors apart from its competitors is its strong emphasis on innovation, customer satisfaction, and quality products. Mitsubishi's commitment to creating stylish, efficient, and eco-friendly vehicles has earned it numerous accolades and a loyal customer base worldwide. In conclusion, Mitsubishi Motors Corporation has a rich history, a drive for continuous innovation, and a commitment to excellence that has made it a global leader in the automotive industry. As we look to the future, we can expect Mitsubishi to continue to push the boundaries of technology and design, producing vehicles that will leave a lasting impression on the world.